Welcome back to SolidWorks tutorial. Today we are going to design a simple square hex nut bolt in SolidWorks by using some features like extrude boss, base, thread command and so many more. And later we will apply the animation for this nut and bolt. I hope you like it. So let's start the drawing. So first of all, go to the file and go to the file, new, and select part, then OK, and we enter the SolidWorks interface. So let's change the background to plain white. So simply click and make it plain white and make the drawing on top plane. So select the top plane, right click, sketch, and make the center rectangle of 20 mm into 20 mm. So simply select the center rectangle and go to the smart dimension, make it 20 mm. OK, and it also be 20 mm. Then OK, and give the fillet to 5 mm. So simply select 5 mm. If you want to select all the corners, so simply drag mouse and select this. It will be automatically select all the corners, and then OK, and it extrude up to 15 mm. So simply go to the feature extrude boss base, and it will be 15 mm, then OK. And again from this face select, right click, sketch, then normal, and make the circle of 30 mm. So go to the circle and make the circle of 30 mm. So go to smart dimension and make it, then and extrude up to 2 mm from this surface. So go to the feature and extrude boss base 2 mm, and keep the merge result, and then OK. And again from this surface make the circle of 14 mm. So simply select this surface and make the circle of, go to the normal 13 mm. So simply select the circle and make it 30 mm. So go to a smart dimension and make it 13 mm, then OK, and it's extrude up to 100 mm from this surface. So simply go to the features and extrude boss base 100 mm, then OK, and again from this surface make the circle of 14 mm, but its length will be 75 mm. So simply select this face, right click, sketch, then normal, and make the circle of 14 mm. So go to a smart dimension and make it 14 mm, then OK, but it extrude up to 75 mm. So simply go to the extrude boss base and make it 75 mm, but it is reverse direction. So select the reverse direction, then OK, and give the fillet of this line will be from this surface will be 1.5 mm. So go to the fillet and make it 1.5 mm this surface, and then OK, and make this fillet to 0.5 mm. So simply select the fillet and make it 0.5 mm and select the both, then OK, and give the chamfer of outward. So simply select the chamfer and make it chamfer to this point will be 1 mm. So simply select 1 mm and select this, then in, then OK. It will be automatically selected. And after all, give the thread command thread to this bolt. So simply go to the hole wizard and select the thread. Now thread location, so simply select this corner, then OK, and it will be M14 into 2.0. It means the pitch between the thread will be 2 point and its diameter will be 14. So simply select the blind and make it 78 mm. So simply select 78 mm and give the offset of 5 mm, then OK, but it is reverse direction, then OK. It will be thread from this surface, and again I will from this surface I will make the extrude through all. So simply select this surface, right click, sketch, then normal. If you want to make this convert entity, so simply go to convert entity. It will be selected the line from this surface. So go to the feature and go to the feature and extrude cut through all. So go to the feature and extrude cut, select this through all, then OK. It will be cut from this surface, so OK, and make the fillet of from this surface will be 0.5 mm, then OK, and again give the fillet from this surface. So simply select the fillet and make the fillet of 2 mm and select this corner, then OK. Again we design the bolt, so simply design the nut. So save this first of all. So go to the file, save as, and go to desktop and select the folder, make it square hex nut bolt, then OK, and it will be bolt, then OK. So again make the nut for this bolt. So go to the file, select new and make the part, then OK. Again change the background to plain white, select the front plane, sketch, then normal, and simply select the polygon. Number of parameters will be 6 and make the polygon, I think it will be horizontal. So select this and make it horizontal, and the distance between the polygon between two lines, so select the smart dimension, and from this point to this point will be 25 mm. So select 25 mm and make the rectangle from this point will be 14 mm. So simply select this, go to the smart dimension and make it 14 mm, then OK, and again extrude it to 15 mm. So simply go to the features, extrude boss base 15 mm, but it will be from mid plane, so simply select the direction will be mid plane, then OK. Then again select the right plane, right click, sketch, then normal, and make the cutout from the corners 1.5 mm. So simply select the line and make it to and this, and go to the smart dimension and make it will be 1.5, then OK, and it also be 1.5, OK, and make the center line from this axis because it's help to revolve cut. So simply go to the feature, revolve cut, and select automatically select this axis, then OK. If you want to mirror this cut, revolve cut to, so simply go to the mirror and select the front plane and features to mirror, so simply select this revolve cut and then OK, it will be mirror. Then if you want to apply the material to this nut, so simply go to the appearance and select the metal, select chrome plate, then OK, and we give the also appearance for this bolt, so simply select this and make it chromium plate, then OK. Again give the thread to this nut, so simply go to the features and hole wizard and go to the thread, select the location, so simply select this, but it will be more, so click this and make the offset of 5 mm, but it will be reverse, and give this and make it cut extrude, then OK. Then it will be extruded cut from this surface, and we make the animation for this nut and bolt, so simply go to the file, new, and make the assembly for this nut and bolt, then OK. We entered the assembly features in SolidWorks, so simply select the bolt, drag it, and change the background to plain white, and so go to the insert components, click browse. Sorry, we did not save this bolt. Again click save this bolt, so go to save as, and sorry it's not, then OK. And go to the assembly and go to the insert component and select this to this, and go to the mate, select this circle, and again select this circle, it will be concentric. Go to the mate select this and select this. Sorry, it will not be selected the circle of this. So we have one method to, so simply select the view axis, temporary view axis. It will be really help you. So go to the mat and select the axis and again select this axis. It will be concentric. Then OK, and select this to this. Again, if you want to make the animation for this, so simply select this nut and bolt. So go to the mat and select the mechanical mat and select the screw. Select the upper of this bolt. It takes more time. And again select this surface. Just take more time to select this, and it is selected. You know that but the bolt upper surface and the nut will be inner surface will be selected for the screw, and then OK. Then it will apply screw made to this nut and bolt. So simply drag to make this and